Hello and welcome to this ZCM video tutorial on how to upgrade ZENworks Configuration Manager starting with the first primary server. During this segment we will cover the ZENworks Diagnostic Center process, prepping for the upgrade. Then we will perform the actual upgrade process for the first ZCM primary server. Our example will be upgrading from version 11 SP3 to version 11 SP4. Displayed on my screen is my first primary server. First, we will run a diagnostic integrity check on our current system using the ZENworks Diagnostic Center tool provided on the download site. There is a new ZDC developed for each version in Service Pack, which checks primary server system files and database files. Download the version of ZDC ZENworks Diagnostic Center that matches your current system. In this case, our system is running ZENworks 11 SP3. So I've downloaded the ZDC for 11 SP3. If the current system has version 11.3.1, you would still download the ZDC for 11 SP3. For this demonstration, let's run the ZDC to check integrity of the system files and database files. The files have been extracted to the local primary server. Open a DOS prompt using Run as Administrator and navigate to the location where the ZDC files are located. If you are uncertain of the syntax, just type ZDC and it will give you the syntax to be run. When you are ready to run the ZDC, type in the command and let it run. This will again check the integrity of the system files as well as the database for your ZCM system. This will take a couple of minutes. Now that it's complete, you will notice some of the errors. If you find errors in the ZDC integrity check, these should be corrected before moving on, or call support for their assistance or approval to move forward with the version upgrade. You will find the ZDC report in the directory listed. You can navigate to that and click on Index. It will then show you the different errors or completions that you have for your system prep. Again, we will need to fix these errors or check with support to verify we can move forward with the upgrade. Now that we've verified that we can move forward, we will go ahead and start with the upgrade. Navigate to the media, and let's start the upgrade. This particular system has an embedded internal Sybase database. If you have other types of databases, the wizard may be a little bit different. We're going to accept the license agreement. Fix any network warnings that might appear. Identify the first primary server. Authenticate. Yes, you have verified the ZDC. And continue on. Next is a pre-upgrade task, just verifying that you have completed some steps. This may be longer depending on your system. Optimization. Next we'll go to the install after we get the pre-upgrade summary. And then it will start installing the upgrade for 11 SP4. After the installation of the upgrade is completed, the wizard will present us with more options. A reboot will be required before completion. You can select to run a system check if you wish. This may take a couple of minutes, and this shows that the upgrade is complete. We will go ahead and reboot the server. After restarting the server, you can check the logs to see if it's completed. One location would be checking the version. It's at 11.4.0. It will then continue to rebuild your packages for your ZENworks adaptive agents at this time. Opening a browser and logging into the ZCC, you will note this first prompt that it's being upgraded. If we go to System Updates, you will see that 11.4 is ready for deployment and installed. The upgrade is successful. This concludes our ZCM video tutorial on how to upgrade ZENworks Configuration Manager, starting with the first primary server, covering the ZENworks Diagnostic Center and upgrade itself.